We got some great stuff coming up. We're going to bring up my improv group right now. We're going to do a few minutes of comedy, and then we're going to get right to the awards. So let's bring up the nuts and bolts guys right now.
Oh, stairs.
We got Frank Starace, Jeannie No, Derek DeSole, and Jesse Edwards here. Now we're going to play this game. It's called the fortune cookie. I have a box of unwrapped fortune cookies right here. Now I'm going to open one. We're going to read it, and then they're going to make you laugh with what it says on the inside. So let's see what it says here. I should have brought my glasses. Oh my gosh, that's a little.
You could just tell them anything.
Happiness is often a rebound from hard work. Happiness is often a rebound from hard work.
I gotta say, I'm so glad you broke up with your model boyfriend.
Woo! Yeah, me too.
This is gonna last, right?
Yeah, no.
My hot ex-girlfriend just broke up with me.
Me too.
Woo! The next one, friendship is love with understanding.
I'm so gonna call you tomorrow.
Yeah. So, I was thinking we could do this thing where, we're friends, and you do everything for me, but we're still just friends. Okay?
Yeah, that works.
Yes.
So, you know how you let me borrow your car while I was watching your house and taking care of your pets? Well, you're a very understanding person. I sort of stole all your money.
I'm your new dad.
I didn't see that coming.
Learn Chinese. Apple. A zhuinga du zhang dao chow.
A zwingadu dan dan chow. Do you have an apple? Or an appletini? I don't care. I'm drunk. You're hot. Let's go.
Welcome to the Zhongjiang Chow store. I'm Jesse. How may I help you?
Well done.
Failure is the tuition you pay for success.
You're starting an improv troupe, Frank? That's a great idea. Let's do it.
So, Dad, you know how you paid for me to go to that really expensive private college?
I don't like where this is going.
So how upset would you be if I actually haven't been going there for the past 4 years?
Tell me you've been stripping at least.
How do you know?
Lucky numbers. 21, 8, 45, 33, 47, 18.
Yeah, I don't know about this script to reboot Lost. The numbers are just all over the place. And it makes no sense. Oh, yeah, no, I green-lighted it the first time. Let's do it.
Sir, your fake ID says you're 21, 14, 28, and 82.
I'm from Japan.
Wait. So say that number again, because I'm going to totally call you right now so you have my number.
21, 14, 18, 82, 47, 92.
All right. I don't have a signal, but this is your real number, right?
Yeah, no, yeah,
Okay,
it's gonna
cool.
work.
Wow, I really can't see.
I need to buy you some glasses.
Now is the time to be candid and above board in all things.
You suck? That's all.
You suck? That's all?
You suck, and I love you.
That's gross.
All right, let's see what we got here. I need some light. That's what I need.
Anyone make a new eye for him or something?
Passion in all great searches and is necessary to all creative endeavors. Passion is in all great searches and is necessary to all creative endeavors.
It's deep.
I haven't had a girlfriend in 5 years. Why don't I make a prosthetic hand that works in a virtual reality system?
All right, we'll end scene. All right, good job, guys. Give it up for Nuts and Bolts, everybody.